Most couples spend over 200 hours planning their wedding day. They argue over the flowers, the guest list, and whether to serve chicken or beef. But they spend less than 2 hours planning the next 40 years of their financial future.
And honestly, that is a massive trap. Money fights are consistently one of the leading causes of divorce. But it doesn't have to be that way.
If you want your marriage to actually survive and thrive, you need to ask each other 5 non-negotiable questions before you sign that marriage license. Today, we are giving you the ultimate pre-marriage financial checklist. Let's dive in.
Step 1. The debt reveal. The naked truth.
It's time for total, unfiltered transparency. Look, it's easy to talk about your dreams, but it's terrifying to talk about your liabilities. You need to sit down, open your laptops, and lay out every single dollar you owe. Student loans, credit cards, car notes, or money you owe your parents. Put it all on the table.
Now, a quick legal myth bust. Legally, you do not automatically inherit your partner's premarital debt. But practically, you absolutely do, because debt dictates your cash flow.
If your partner has a $500 a month minimum debt payment, that is $500 less your household has to qualify for a mortgage, save for a vacation, or invest for your future. You aren't judging them for their past. You are calculating your joint starting line.
Once the debt is on the table, it's time for step 2, the credit score checkup.
Pick a designated night, make some coffee, and pull your actual credit reports together. Don't just guess the number. You need to see exactly where you both stand. Why? Because when you buy a house or a car together, banks look at both of your scores. One low score can cost you tens of thousands of dollars in higher interest rates over a lifetime.
And here is our biggest tip for this step. Remember that a bad credit score is a fixable math problem, not a character flaw. If your partner has a low score, don't panic or blame them. Normalize it. Say, okay, this is our baseline. How do we build this up together over the next 12 months?
Step 3. The financial boundary blueprints.
Step 3 is deciding how you will actually manage your money day to day. We call this the financial boundary blueprint, and you generally have 3 choices.
First is the fusion method. Everything goes into one giant joint bucket. All paychecks go in, all bills come out. It's total unity, but it requires massive communication, so no one feels controlled.
Second is the independent method. Everything stays completely separate. You keep your own accounts and just Venmo or split bills proportionally based on your income.
And third is our personal recommendation for newlyweds, the hybrid method. You open a joint account for shared bills like rent, groceries, and utilities, but you both keep your own separate personal checking accounts for your own personal spending.
The hybrid method gives you teamwork for your shared life, but preserves your autonomy as individuals. Drop a comment below right now. Which of these 3 methods sounds the best for your relationship? We want to know.
Step 4. The no questions asked limit.
This step is a game changer that will save you from hundreds of petty arguments. You need to establish a no questions asked spending limit.
This is an agreed upon dollar amount, say $100 or $200, that either partner can spend at any time on absolutely anything without having to check in or get permission.
If I want to buy a $150 video game or a pair of shoes and it's under our limit, I just buy it. No guilt, no micromanagement, no passive-aggressive comments when the Amazon package arrives at the door.
Agree on a number that fits your budget. It protects your peace, eliminates friction, and maintains trust.
Step 5. Defining your joint rich life.
Once you've handled the debt, the credit, and the accounts, you get to do the fun part, defining your rich life.
This is where you align your long-term goals. Do you want to prioritize buying real estate early? Do you care about luxury travel? Do you want to retire by 45? Or fund your future kids' college entirely?
If your goals don't perfectly match up, that is completely normal. The trick is to compromise by creating separate, dedicated savings buckets. If one person loves travel and the other loves investing, create a travel fund and a brokerage fund and fund them both simultaneously. You're building a life together, so make sure it's a life you both actually want to live.
To make this incredibly easy for you, we've put all 5 of these steps, plus a few bonus questions, into a clean, one-page pre-marriage checklist PDF. It's completely free, and you can grab the download link in the description box below.
Hit that subscribe button for more practical couples finance tips, share this video with your fiancé, and we will see you in the next video.